LED light, I guess. I don't know. Link will be in the description below. They put my address clear across one side. It actually came with it opening like that, but it was delivered like 4 hours after I bought it from Amazon. 4 o'clock in the morning. It came at 4:18 in the morning. It was pretty crazy. What is this stuff? Adhesive tape. It's adhesive into the stuff it's in. Guess we gotta rip it together apart. So it's 3M gooey tape. I don't know why it came with that. There's probably tons of ways to mount this. Okay, we got a service card. Thank you very much for a product. I got it on sale. It's a little bit cheaper. I think they run about $99. I think I paid like $79. LED display user guide. We will need this, but in the meantime, you guys can pause it, screenshot it, and then zoom up on your screenshots if you want to look at it. I'm going to be downloading the app, and hopefully it all goes to plan. I didn't know it had a music mode. That's pretty cool. Recommended use. Doesn't tell you how many amps. Do not roll it up like that. Roll it up like that. That's cool. Please keep away from children. Do not stack stuff on top. Oh, it unwraps and ooh, kind of like a gel coat finish. Very nice. Don't really care for the side right here. That look. Comes with a car charger. I like that it's double. 2.4 amp and a 1 amp. Looks like it lights up on the end too. That's cool. Comes with plenty of length of cord. Does it come apart right here? It does. It has a very special plug. Doesn't quite. Oh, it does. It's almost waterproof, I'd say. There is a sticky to stick the controller, which has a physical button. And down a little ways we have an on and an off. And then I'd say 10 foot of cable right there to a USB 1.0 because it's white. Let's see what it does just plugging it into a USB plug. 1 amp. You know, flip one of the switches and it comes up cool LED, and you guys can see that real well. Okay, I'm gonna click this button, see what it does. Well, it's gonna cross like that. I'm gonna scan this app. Get this app installing. The app is Cool LED. You guys can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and install that. Gonna turn my Bluetooth on. It's installing it. Guess I don't need my light on, do I? Excuse me. Down here connected. Sorry about that, guy. Jesus. They're connected. Oh, I'm already controlling it. It was that quick. Turn down the brightness. That's cool because I'm actually using this for a live stream and that's too bright right there. Let's turn it up so you guys can see it though. That's up all the way. Let's see what a pattern will do. Hot food. That is so cool that it shows you that it's basically downloading it and it's in sync with what the phone's saying right there. Which should be a little bit quicker, but that's still pretty cool. All it is gonna make it say hot food. Oh, that's cool. Graffiti, animation, text. Can I put my own text in there? There's no text. Please add text first. Click the plus button. Looks like a bunch of customization. Oh my gosh, look at all the customization in there. I'm just gonna put something. Oh, enter text way at the bottom. Okay, I got that. Let's make it red. Oh geez, I'm like, oh, now I can make them all red. I could do individual colors. Let's do like the blue, that one blue. We can pick out how we want it to come in. No preview. Let's just send it to it. Device is not connected. Man, I gotta save it first. Sorry, it's easier to just do this off the camera because the glow is, oh, it's wanting a 2 amp, so I'm gonna shut it off. It's not getting enough power. Putting it on a 2 amp now. There, comes right up. Okay. There's the one I just made. Oh geez, I made it way too fast. Like and sub. Okay, so we need to make that so it comes across. Oh no, that's the wrong way. Like and subscribe. Sub? All I post sub? Scribe. What the hell? Okay, well you can do a lot of stuff with this thing and it's definitely pretty cool. I wish it was a bit longer, but it'll work. Watch it in my live streams. Thanks for watching.